declare plea on 2 cases?
Yes.
Let's see. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 00806 and 2024 CR 3222. State of Texas versus April. Elizabeth Davila, can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Sadelman.
Defense.
Brenda Levenstein for Ms. Davila.
And are you Ms. Davila?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in each of these cause numbers and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Davila, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision
Yes.
with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
In each cause number, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State in the cause number 2024 CR 00860, are you proceeding in the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number and 2024 CR 3222, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Davila, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? And did you understand those documents?
Mhm.
You're gonna have to say yes or no. And the cause number ending in 8060, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. And the cause number ending in 3222, you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced. Those are state jail felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow those agreements. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered agreement will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into a plea bargain agreement in these cause numbers, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each cause number?
Yes.
In each cause number, did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Davila, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
In each cause number, the cases are to run concurrently. All right, let me ask you all, what is cause number 2024 PF 11430?
It's a misdemeanor failure to ID in County Court 12.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas. Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Okay, all right, so that's, and the reason why I ask, because it says 2024 PF, and usually those are the felony cases sent to Judge Nahara, but now I understand why it's running concurrent. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, and so each cause number is to run concurrent. They're also to run concurrent with 2024 PF 11430. State is taking in consideration 2024 PF 11429, NIGHTMAG number 764428. And again, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your
Yes,
plea?
ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, in each cause number, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a drug court evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, and a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense in cause number 2024 CR 008060. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
And in the cause number 2024 CR 3222, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
Be contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
Any
No
objection?
objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you,
And
Your
each cause number, did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes.
A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that Ms. Davila understands what she needs to do on probation. I believe she's gonna do her best.
All right, how old are you?
40.
All right, why are you stealing?
Well, because didn't have a job and I was trying to support my family.
When you say support your family, who is your family?
It was my husband back then.
So the family you're trying to support is you're trying to support your husband by stealing?
Yes, I was.
All right, and what does he do for a living?
Nothing.
Okay, so why are you trying to support someone who does nothing? So when were you two married?
No, not married. It was common law.
All right, so were you homeless or no?
No,
So where is he?
he lives in Mexico.
So when you were committing these offenses, was he living here?
No,
So you're stealing,
and going over there to sell it.
okay. Do you have any children?
No,
Are you a citizen?
yes.
So how are you supporting yourself other than stealing?
Oh, right now, I'm not.
All right, why don't you have employment or why didn't you have employment?
I just hadn't gotten a job.
I'm sorry, what?
I just hadn't gotten a job, no ID, nothing.
So in all of your life, you never had an ID?
Yes, but in 2014 was the last year I had my ID.
So what happened to your ID?
I got lost and I just never got it renewed.
I mean, it's easy to get an ID.
Yeah.
How are you paying your bills if you don't have an ID?
Well, no, I was living with my sister
Okay.
and she works, so she pays the bills.
So I don't understand what you've been doing with your life. Do you have any children?
No.
So what have you been, how far did you go in school?
9th grade,
And why only ninth grade?
because my dad got sick and I just didn't go back. I stayed home to help take care of him.
All right, and how old is your sister?
2 years older than me.
So why didn't she just stay?
She did.
All right, your story's not really making much sense to the court.
That's my story.
So how often have you been using drugs?
For about 5 years.
And when did you start?
In 2020,
And why did you start using?
just as I was depressed, my mom had just passed away.
And what did you start using?
Heroin.
And how often were you using heroin?
At first, not every day, but it turned into every day.
And how did you support your habit,
By stealing,
and what else?
and that's all. I would steal and sell the stuff.
Who's buying pliers from you?
No, I would use that to cut the alarms off. No one would buy pliers from me.
Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about your client? Then in the cause number ending in 3222, this is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008060, 2024 PF 11430. Take in consideration 2024 PF 11429, night mag number 764428. The following will take place in custody: a referral to felony drug court, TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation. If not accepted, I'm sorry, that's the order I wanted in: felony drug court, then TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation, and we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court as the last one. And if not accepted, then it's going to be inpatient treatment. Ms. Abrams, what inpatient treatment would they recommend? She had been using heroin daily if she's not accepted into felony drug court.
Start off with daily use.
Mm-hmm. She needs to be in an inpatient treatment facility.
Say, say guys at church. Or say
All right, safe P. Upon release, there's to be regular reporting in person, the UA hotline, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits, one time per month until further notice. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? What do you want to do with your life?
Have a normal life, like be working, have a car, hopefully an apartment.
All right, so where do you want, what type of job are you looking for?
Well, anywhere that'll hire me.
Okay, well, no, I mean, what's your dream job?
Oh, a nail tech,
Okay,
yes.
all right, it's going to be 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if she completes her GED or she obtains some sort of trade school certification. So if you want to be a nail tech, start working towards that and I'll waive the community service hours. Do you understand?
Yes.
Probation, is there anything else she needs under that cause number? Is there anything else you need from me under that cause number?
No.
All right, and the cause, everyone please whisper. And cause number 2024 CR 008060. Court will sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine, probated. Concurrent with 2024 CR 008060. 2024 PF 11430. Taking consideration 2024 PF 11429, night mag number 764428. In custody, the following evaluations: referral to felony drug court, TAP eval, MIC eval, Esperanza Court. If not accepted, then inpatient treatment at Safety. Upon release, it's to be regular reporting in person, the UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. 120 hours community service restitution. If you complete the GED or obtain a trade school certificate, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else under that cause number? All right, is there anything else you need from the court under that cause number that can help you?
No.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand it? And
You haven't seen them?
and State, do you have those?